Okay, good morning everybody. So today is day 2. We are checked in at Premier Inn, checked out of Soho. And Steph got an extra, what did you get, an extra large room?
Yes.
Yeah, so we've got extra space getting ready for Doer tonight.
I mean, you just need all that room, don't you?
Yeah, so we're going to the, I thought it was the Wolseley, but it's...
What, the Wolseley? The
Wolseley.
The Wolseley?
Wolseley.
The Wolseley.
Yeah, that one. So going there for breakfast. Apparently you have to get the eggs, so we're going to make sure we get the eggs. I prefer mine fried or scrambled. But
Do you?
yeah, why not do that?
Oh, I love a poached dippy egg.
Oh no, snotty.
No,
Can't do
snotty.
yeah, poached egg always turns out snotty when you
No.
cut. Yes. Yes, it always, you always get that layer of snot. I can't do that.
I mean, I know exactly what you mean,
Yeah.
but you don't get that.
No, thank you. So yeah, and then we're just going to go to Boots. We need to get some glitter because I've got a whole room full of makeup and glitter and I forgot to bring it with me. So we've got to go buy some. Honestly.
I mean, we've packed.
We bought
like,
everything,
we're going away
but we
for
forgot
2
everything.
weeks, but we forgot the main thing we wanted.
God, this taxi, honestly. Good job we're strapped in. So yeah, that is
No, you can, but I don't know.
No, you can. I don't know why.
For my quest.
He can't hear you.
Well, I don't know.
And then we're gonna go do some shopping. I basically
Really need
Steph told me I need to get a new backpack.
I mean, it's literally...
The handle fell off like the first week I had it, and it is hanging. Look,
But
okay.
to be fair, she literally carries everything in it.
Yeah, I mean it's so heavy, but it's really hanging on by a thread.
Everything but the kitchen sink.
I have to. I'm one of those people that's like, what if, you know?
I think you should do like an backpacking and just be like, here's what's in my backpack.
It'll be like his beads blocker,
Like an hour long.
his toothbrush, his, I don't know, masks,
Hand sanitizer.
3 hand sanitizers just
Wow.
in case. Safety first.
Ask me what's in my bag.
What's in your bag?
A purse, gum, a mirror, and a can of water.
Yeah. See, I don't have cans of water with me. Your mini fridge. Okay, so that's basically what we're doing today. It's like a studded door. Wow.
What?
Studded doors. Back there.
What,
Look,
like-
yeah, look, studs. Yeah.
Oh, I see what you mean. What does that mean?
Don't know, you can tell what personality they have. Yeah, that
It's
will
really
get
coming
it.
out. It's really...
You're tattling. Ooh, Harrods.
Should we do into Harrods?
Yeah. I said that earlier.
I might see if they've got my lubes. Not that I'm going to buy them.
Well, you will.
One day.
Just want to try them on.
Yeah.
See how they fit. See if the shoe fits. Oh god, this is going to be terrible content. Look, that's so sad, Topshop.
Yeah, that is sad.
That's so sad. They did the best jeans, although you can get them on Ace. What's that? Guess. Oh, that they look like they got some nice little summer bits. How's my scab looking today? Still there. Probably be there until we leave London. Then as soon as we leave London,
It will
fall
go,
off.
yeah.
Yeah. I love this camera so much. It focuses so well. Snotted everywhere. Do it again, do it again. Go, go, go. If I did that, I'd fall flat on my face. Okay, so we just had breakfast. I can't confirm this anymore.
Come
I can't.
on. You can do it.
Okay, we went to the Wellesley and our bill
It's too fucking much.
it came to £100 for eggs.
You what?
Said £100 for eggs. For eggs.
Yeah.
And the service wasn't that good actually.
Get the eggs, they said.
Get the eggs. The service wasn't actually that grand.
Paid £15 for it though, didn't we?
Yeah. So, oh, would you go there again?
No.
No, I wouldn't either.
But you know what? This is things that we can now say that we've done and we can tick it off.
Yeah.
We drive each other mad, mad,
don't know why we decided to wear heels. It's bad
Tell
move.
me you wore the wrong footwear without telling me.
Like
you wore the wrong
everyone
footwear.
is wearing trainers, and we are the only ones in heels, and we're the only ones that've got eye makeup like this, like glitter
And bunchies.
and bunchies. Everyone else is like casual day wear.
We really are.
Now we feel silly.
What did you say?
Rise and shine. Also, I woke up in the middle of the night and I've got a rash on my armpit from shaving. Oh, it is burning. I literally woke up and put a cold. I don't know why I thought this would work, but I got cold water and I just put it on my armpits.
When?
Last night, in the middle of the night, I woke up because I was in so much pain, so I just got my hands covered in water and just went like that on my armpit. It didn't hurt, it kind of made it worse. Oh my god, guys, I was just, oh, it is recording. I was just on Instagram doing a little bit of worky work. Jokes, I wasn't, I was scrolling. And on Femme LA, which is the high heels that I love and adore, they shared my photo of me. And I very nearly replied back with a middle finger by accident. I meant a heart, but look how close my emoji is.
I mean, that just goes to show like how you go from one extreme
Oh,
to the
it's
other.
changed now, but the middle finger is right next to the heart. Well, it was right next to it. Where are we going?
Chocopolo Popolare.
Which is somewhere Steph and me have been wanting to go for, well, since before lockdown. Is it open before lockdown? It was, isn't it? So yeah, we can't wait to have the...
I'm having the carbonara that they serve in a wheel of pasta, obviously. A
Yeah.
wheel of cheese.
a wheel of cheese. And I don't know what I'm having, but I just want to have a really good photo. I hate it when boys always do that. And it's so annoying.
I know, I hate it when people do it to me, to be fair. I did that this morning.
Oh, it's like baby dinosaur noises. Oh, baby dino. I love this angle. It looks so pretty. Do you remember when we were in school and like
Yes.
and you would, whoever got a parting closest to their ear was the coolest kid.
You should see this photo of me. I'm literally there like this.
makeup all over your mirror.
I was like this. Right.
Yeah. And that means you were the coolest.
And I also went through a phase of doing this.
Yeah, of course. A little like a puffy thing. Yeah. Yeah, same.
Who thinks that's a good look?
Same.
I actually don't think it was that much.
I tried so hard to let go, writing poetry and rhymes just to get you off my mind. It's either yes or it's no. I'm not a yo-yo on a string that you flip and twist and swing. I'm not gonna vibe tonight. You don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready,
What are we doing, Steph?
Definitely not staying an extra 3 nights.
No, definitely not. No.
We didn't think this would happen.
No.
It's never happened.
Never happened before. No, we never do this. This is really unlike us.
Chrissy Teigen meme.
Look at the weather though. This is what's made us want to stay, because it's sunny, and London's great when it's sunny, isn't it, Stephanie? Yeah, he is.
Best.
Yeah, we are loving our lives. So we're just waiting for our Uber to pick us up and take us to the next hotel. He's 5 minutes away. Woo! Good evening, everybody. So we have checked in to this hotel. It's called the Hero of Maida.
The Maid of Hera.
something like that. I'll put it on screen because I can't remember and I'm just going to butcher it otherwise. But I am dressed. Steph is getting ready. We are going to restaurant hours tonight. I've been a couple of times and the food is honestly incredible, and Steph has never been, so we've decided to go there tonight. We're hoping that we're going to have great service and great food, because so far, to be honest, it hasn't actually been that great, has it really?
No, not really.
Yeah. So we think we're going to go to Sexy Fish for a drink or two before the restaurant, and then go to the restaurant. And then we don't really know what we're going to do afterwards. The sun is out at the moment. I'm being brave and wearing orange. Wait, tell me.
Steph's recommendation.
Yeah, I was originally going to wear black again, shock. But the sun is out. And I just showed TikTok the stapler. Oh, I always call it a stapler. It's called the One Stitch Gun, I think, from Amazon. And I stitched the back of my trousers together because otherwise they'll fall down. But anyway, I think I actually have the label still on my Zara jacket that I need to, yeah I do, I need to cut off. But yeah, I'll take you guys with me on my phone because I don't want to lose my camera. And I'll try and be a better vlogger tonight. No promises. Put your backpack on. My shitty backpack. Huh? My shitty backpack. Your shitty backpack. I know.
I don't put them like that. I probably should. Still an hour away.
I like holding doors open. You don't? No, I said no worries. I just like holding doors open.
Oh, I see what you mean. They didn't say thank you.
No.
Oh.
That's why I was like, I just like holding doors open for people.
People are rude. People in London have no manners. People down south are way nicer. And up north, to be fair. People up north are so much nicer.